You got to get up pretty early in the morning to go POTA with these toads.
You gotta go. You gotta be here.
All of that went away. I was very surprised.
So I was like,
yeah,
showed up, and then
You see his hat?
yeah, there you go.
Dude, I have no clue. We're out drinking beer together. Same batteries are similar.
I got my hand ready.
That's probably going to make a big difference there.
That's mine. We took it down, so we put it
Try to keep them off the sidewalk.
And I use the Velcro usually to attach it to the pole. And then
FT710 on the car Poseidon antenna. Kyle down there on the CW key, running on the Poseidon antenna, the new.
Oh, yeah, he's
The antenna guy. I was talking to him about it.
No, because I know.
He actually
I
produced
produced it.
There you
Yeah. But I know roast.
I had somebody pull out the Balfang UV5R and the ARRL band plan, and they were like, this is a slick idea. The coax comes up, terminates into a chassis connector, and then the center pin is wired up to the pipe. That's pretty slick. I hate the janky looking way that coax braids look.
I've got this big around. That was one of the reasons.
We talked about driving out. Ice cream.
I figured it was ice cream. Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. That was the Toads POTA in a minute. I mean, technically it was 2, but technically the second half was a happy hour that we did after the POTA. We did Lake Louisa State Park just before Orlando Hamcation, and it was a blast, and I'm looking forward to having all y'all come down next year. We're going to do a different park before Hamcation next year. What other POTA meetup can you go to where it has a catered lunch? We serve beer, soft drinks, water, and fancy brewed coffee, and we have door prizes. This is awesome. Y'all are awesome. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you in the next one.